Top 10 legal rights during arrest, police handling and courtroom tactics. BNS 2033. So, today I am talking about this topic. Hello everyone, I am Advocate Narayan Khatik and welcome to Nyay Guru channel. This is my channel. Do you know what your legal rights are if the police arrest you? Can the police arrest you without telling you the reason? Can they stop you from meeting your lawyer? Can they keep you in custody for more than 24 hours? What should do if the police violate your rights? In today's video, we will explain your legal rights under the Constitution of India, the Bharatiya Nagrik Suraksha Sanhita BNSS 2023 and the important Supreme Court judgment in the simple language. What is an arrest? What is an arrest? First, let's understand what an arrest actually means. An arrest is not simply being stopped by the police, it means that your personal liberty has restricted and you are now under police custody. However, India follows the rule of law, which means that no one can be deprived of their liberty and arbitrarily. That is why the constitutions and the BNSS provide several important safeguards for every person at the time of arrest. Your five most important rights during arrest. Right. I know the reason for arrest. The police must immediately inform you why you are being arrested. They must also provide you with a written arrest memo mentioning the charges against you. This is very important. And right to inform a friend or family member. You have the legal right to inform one friend or relative about your arrest and the place where you are being detained. The police must record whom they informate. And right 3, medical examination. If you have any injuries or are injured while in custody, you have the right to medical examination. Your injuries must be properly recorded. And right 4, consult a lawyer. You have the right to meet and consult your lawyer during interrogation, the police cannot unreasonably prevent you from obtaining legal assistance. And for right 4 5, protection against self incrimination. Article 23 of the constitution protects you from being forced to confess or provide evidence against yourself. You have the right to remain silent regarding questions that may incriminate you. And landmark Supreme Court judgments, and we are discussing. Now let's discuss some landmarks. Supreme Court decision that protect citizen from unlawful arrest. D.K. Vasu versus State of West Bengal 1997. This is a very important case law. The judgment laid down mandatory arrest guidelines for the police. These include wearing identification name tags in police chest, preparing an arrest memo, informing a relative, conducting medical examination, maintaining proper arrest records. Failure to follow these guidelines can amount to a violation of the law. Joginder Kumar versus State of Uttar Pradesh 1994. The Supreme Court held that every FIR does not automatically justify an arrest. An arrest must be based on reasonable ground and genuine necessity. Arnesh Kumar versus State of Bihar 2014. The court ruled that in many offences punishable with up to 7 years imprisonment, the police should not make automatic arrest. Instead, they must record valid reason and follow the prescribed legal procedure. Neelavati Behra versus State of Odisha 1993. This is an important case. The Supreme Court held that custody violence or custodial death violates Article 21 of the Constitution of India. The state may be held liable to compensate the victim's family. What should you do during police interrogation? This is a very important thing. And what should you interrogation? If you are questioned by the police, stay calm, respectful, never sign blank paper, read every document carefully before signing, Consult your lawyer before making important statement. Whenever possible, if you are subjected to excessive force or abuse, preserve evidence such as medical reports, photographs, and witness details. The 24 rule and bail rights. According to the law, every arrested person must be produced before a magistrate within 24 hours, excluding travel time. If the offense is bailable, bail is a legal right. In certain situations, if the investigation is not completed within the prescribed time and the charge sheet is not filed, the accused may become entitled to default bail. Then, conclusion of the subject. Always remember the law gives power to the police, but it also protects the rights of every citizen. Knowing your legal rights can help you safeguard your liberty and respond lawfully if those rights are violated. Call to action. If you found this video helpful, please like this video, share it with your friends and family, subscribe to Nyay Guru for more simple, practical, and reliable legal education. Thank you for watching. Stay informed, stay protect. See you in the next video. Thank you.